Link Logistics is an international freight forwarder and a specialist in worldwide transportation and logistics services company. As integral component of a global network of agents, Great Link Logistics is a key player in both developed and developing commercial markets, particularly China, United States, Canada, Brazil, Chile, Peru, Italy, Germany, United Kingdom and worldwide, with offices in China, Los Angeles, California, USA, and others in Vancouver, British Columbia and Toronto, Ontario in Canada. We ship cargo of every kind and all sizes to every destination worldwide. Great Link Logistics has worked with a broad array of industry sectors, including electronic products, telecom and related technical equipment, auto parts and automobiles, aircraft parts and aircraft, building and construction materials, food and personal care products, and clothing and accessories. Our staff has over 2 decades of international shipping experience. We work in close partnership with our customers and our suppliers to provide innovative and cost-effective services. We handle commercial cargo and dangerous goods, full or partial loads. We provide careful attention to details, documentation, and unmatched customer service.